Welcome to the roast of my dishwasher. Since this is now technically a funeral, I will be changing into my formal attire. Alright, let's bury this bitch. My dishwasher, the only thing to shake more than my bed frame when I'm having a night terror. My dishwasher, the biggest waste of water since SeaWorld. My dishwasher, the only one that can get lumps and bumps all over their skin without having an STD. If you did, I would have contracted it, cause you royally fucked me. Every day, I had to hand wash things. I was doing more things with my hands than a hooker after service. Which, speaking of, after the service. My sister once said that you smell on the inside. I said that couldn't be possible because I just ran a load. But then I realized that someone had shot a load in you. Hi, Justin. That's a joke. Nobody would ever do that. Cause you're ugly! And while you may be stainless steel, you are certainly not streakless steel, bitch. But this is a celebration of life. A celebration of life that I will get to live because I won't be stuck hand washing the dishes that you didn't do shit to! Your replacement is literally right across from you, and I'd like to angle you just so you could fucking watch her. This is your brain. This is your brain on drugs. To end this roast, I would like to climb inside you. Please, God, don't let this end in a hospital trip. Like any good voring, this will be dangerous. I don't think I can get that one out. Oh my God, please 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 God. Yes! Are you gonna get the door shut? No fucking way. Oh my God, hold on, wait. This is the content you signed up for! Oh my God, ow, my butt. Oh, okay. Oh, thank God, I thought someone was coming home. Fuck this! My dreams! Watch me get like a really, really rare disease. Fun fact, I can't close this from the inside, which I think is a good thing. But I'll just have you guys know, this definitely would have worked. Oh! You ain't take me down with you, bitch. Oh my God, what broke? Oh. Fuck you. Don't look at my ass, bitch.